KABZA the Small, whose real name is Kabelo Mota, is a highly influential South African DJ and record producer, widely regarded as the king of Amapiano. His brand is primarily built on his musical prowess and his pivotal role in popularizing the Amapiano genre. Most South African artists end up broke when their music career plummets, as they do not set themselves up for life after music. This is where I believe branding is important for artists, since they have to see themselves as brands rather than just creatives. Everybody can be a creative, but not everybody can be a brand. Since artists sell creations and not just personality, they are obligated to set themselves as a registered and trademarked brand. This is where brands like KABZA the Small can utilize their prowess by owning their IP, image, name and likeness, enabling them to not only sell songs but live performances, marketing services, content, lodging and tourism, all under their brand name. KABZA is coming right with Piano Hub, a multifaceted business deeply ingrained in the Amapiano movement. Its operations encompass various aspects of music and entertainment industry, including a record label, distribution, live events, venue management, and brand marketing. If you want cover on your favorite artists, comment, like, share, and subscribe.